topic of our meeting and our discussion today, firstly, we need to submit 3 patent applications. These are for the patenting of the tribogenerator itself, the transformer, and also the power plant control system. This is very important, and this needs to be done. We need to prepare the documents. So I would like to ask Evgeny to take care of preparing these documents. There are just a few details left to clarify. We also need to print them out, and then we'll be ready to send everything to the International Patent Organization. And now I'd like to ask Sergey Vladimirovich had one of the main tasks. Besides the fact that Sergey Vladimirovich is closely involved with the power plant, he also had a parallel task of fitting this very power plant into a container, right? Our container is basically ready now. I hope that you also have all the drawings and documentation ready.
All the documentation will be prepared in the near future for placing the power plant in the container. We are also starting to prepare a mini power plant as either a display model or a sample for
participation in forums
and exhibitions.
This will help us both at the Nigerian conference and at various other forums. Colleagues, as you all know, Evgeny and I have just returned from the Vietnamese conference, and while we were there, we visited the Department of Science and Education. And in this department, I introduced our technologies, of course, and this technology really excites everyone. They are particularly insistent that we consider the possibility of building the first projector, the possibility of constructing facility number 1 in Vietnam. So I ask you to consider this matter by the end of this month and to provide your response in writing.
Provide the pros and cons?
Yes, the pros and cons, all objections, whether there are any or not. I think we need to create a contact group that would have maintained constant direct communication with the Vietnamese side. And yes, specifically on the scientific side. I was glad to see you all.